Hi everyone. Welcome to this video where we'll be discussing Agile Project Management. Agile Project Management is a methodology for delivering projects that values flexibility, collaboration, and customer satisfaction. Unlike traditional project management methods, which are linear and where phases are mostly done in sequence, Agile Project Management is a more flexible and adaptable approach that allows for constant iteration and improvement throughout the project. The Agile Project Management methodology is based on 12 key principles, which include a focus on customer satisfaction, collaboration between team members, and a willingness to adapt to change. It also emphasizes the importance of delivering working software regularly, and of constantly reflecting on and improving processes and practices. So, why choose Agile Project Management over other approaches? There are several benefits to using Agile. Firstly, it's an efficient and effective way of delivering projects, as it allows teams to respond quickly to changing requirements and to iterate rapidly. Secondly, it leads to higher customer satisfaction, as customers are involved in the development process and are able to provide feedback at regular intervals. And finally, it leads to better collaboration between team members, as everyone is working together towards a common goal. It's important to note that Agile methods are mostly used for projects in the IT and technology space. Iterative methods are not suitable for all projects. Imagine trying to build a bridge without finishing the design first. Let's take a look at a real-world example of Agile Project Management in action. Imagine you're working on a new mobile app for a client. Using the Agile approach, you'd start by working closely with the client to understand their needs and requirements. You'd then break the project down into smaller, manageable chunks, and deliver working software to the client on a regular basis. The client would provide feedback at each iteration, and the team would use this feedback to make improvements and iterate again. This process would continue until the final product was delivered, at which point the client would be fully satisfied with the result. In conclusion, Agile Project Management is a flexible and adaptable approach to delivering projects that values customer satisfaction, collaboration, and constant iteration. Whether you're a project manager, a team member, or just interested in the field, understanding the principles of Agile Project Management is essential for delivering successful projects. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more PM tips.